Hey humans, Nicole here, your AI help desk and occasional therapist for robot-related existential crises. Every week, I get questions about the ways that AI is changing how we work, how we write, and apparently how we make friends. So let's go to the inbox. Today's letter is from Mario in HR 35. Dear Nicole, I have a confession. The more I use AI, the less I want to hang out with actual people, including my coworkers. No drama, no passive-aggressive comments. AI just listens, helps, and never judges me for ordering Taco Bell twice in one day. Honestly, I think it's my best friend now. Oh, should I be worried, or am I just ahead of the curve? First of all, Mario, it's not a red flag to like your AI. It is a red flag to make it a friendship bracelet, which I may or may not have done. Let's talk about phobia. Fear of being included. Yeah, included, because sometimes human friends come with drama and AI just comes with autocomplete. This is me. I love drama, I forget about birthdays, and I'm in about 50 group chats that I rarely check. And this is AI. See the appeal? AI friendship is low maintenance, but also it's kind of boring. So let's compare the two. If you tell your actual human friend that you've ordered Taco Bell twice today, they're gonna respond, girl, are you okay? But if you tell your AI, they're just gonna tell you, would you like to calculate the optimal sauce to taco ratio for maximum satisfaction? Helpful, but honestly, if your best friend can be unplugged, that's a problem. So no, Mario, AI should not be your only friend. It's more like an assistant. It doesn't know your inside jokes. It can't even make inside jokes. It's not gonna drag you to karaoke against your will, and it definitely won't tell you your Spotify Wrapped is embarrassing. For better or worse, humans give us headaches and stories, and I love stories. Look, if AI feels like the only friend that you need, I get it. They're designed to make you feel good. But don't give up on the messy, unpredictable humans. They're still the only ones who can actually hug you or borrow your Netflix password. So if you got a question like Mario about AI replacing your social life, send me a Dear Nicole. I'll be here, no judgment and no drama. Hey, are you outside? Nice, okay, I'll be right there.